Hey everyone, today we are diving into a topic that's critical for our globalized world, cross-cultural team management. I'm Mehrab Ahmad and together with Basith, Suman, Basanta, Anesh and Puja, we will unpack how to lead teams that span continents, culture and communication styles. Let's get started. Have you ever been a part of a team where things just don't click, where communication misfires and everyone's pulling in different directions? It happens more often than we think, especially in global teams. But the truth is, though challenges like language barriers, clashing decision styles, or competing priorities aren't roadblocks. They are opportunities to understand each other better, to work smarter, and to grow more stronger together. By tapping into cultural insights like Hofstede's model and adjusting how we communicate, decide, and prioritize, we can turn diversity into our greatest strength. Because when we lead with understanding, global teams don't just work, they thrive. So, ready to bridge those gaps and lead your global team to real success. Let's make it happen. Let me take you behind the scenes of global marketing project we worked on. Our team was a mix of brilliant minds from India, Nepal, UK and Sri Lanka. Sounds exciting, right? And it was, but it came with its fair share of challenges. We quickly realized that working across cultures isn't just about juggling time zones. It's about navigating different ways of thinking, communicating and making decisions. Some teammates appreciated direct, no-nonsense feedback, while others preferred a more reflective, thoughtful approach. Some liked having clear approval processes, and others thrived in fast, collaborative decision making. And it was, and when it came to priorities, some were laser focused on hitting deadlines, while others put building strong relationships first. They showed us just how important it is to really understand the cultural dynamics at play when working with global teams. That's exactly what we want to explore here. Here, how tools like Hofstede's framework can help teams not just work together but truly thrive across cultures. So, how we start making sense of all these cultural differences? That's where Hofstede's culture dimension came in, kind of like a roadmap for understanding how we work together. Let's break this. Let's break it down. First, power distance. As you can see on the slide, in India and Nepal, people usually follow hierarchy and look to leaders for guidance. In contrast, UK favors a more equal and open style of communication. Then there comes individualism versus collectivism. The UK values independence and personal responsibility, while South Asian cultures focus more on teamwork and group harmony. And finally, uncertainty avoidance. Nepal takes a balanced approach to risk carefully, but not too rigid, while others on the team were more comfortable with change and flexibility. So, finally, understanding these cultural dynamics helped us connect the dots. It gave us a shared languages to talk about our differences and, more importantly, to work through them together. So, to better understand how we worked as a team, we explored Hofstede's cultural dimensions and it really opened our eyes. We saw that in places like India and Nepal, there's a strong respect for hierarchy, so formal communication matters. In the UK, people are more individualistic, which means direct feedback and personal responsibility are key. Broadly speaking, South Asian cultures tends to be more relation focused, while Western culture often prioritize tasks and deadlines. Recognizing these differences help us work together. It gave us a clear understanding of how to communicate and collaborate in a way that worked for everyone. So how did we turn cultural differences into strength? We tailored our leadership approach. We adopted communication styles, former for India and Nepal, more open and anonymous for the UK. We built psychological safety with one-to-one check-ins and structured spaces for honest dialogues. Tools like Trello help clarify roles, striking a balance between group accountability and individual ownership. Decision making combined hierarchy with collaboration, and we made time relationship building while staying focused on results. These intentional choices help us lead with empathy, clarity, and impact across borders and beyond differences. So these are the references that we use to prepare our slide. Thank you for watching.